Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the FabFitFun spring box, which I am so excited for because I am so sick of winter. You have no idea, so sick of it. But before we unbox that, I just want to remind you guys that you can subscribe to my channel. And if you want to receive notifications whenever I post a new video, you can hit that notification bell. But let's go ahead and get on into it. So this month's box is so cute and it is feeling real hefty. But I just want to tell you guys, if you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a quarterly subscription. So it ranges from like beauty, lifestyle, sports, fitness products, and everything in between. So it is, I want to say like $45 to $50 per quarter. I am not positive, but I will leave all the information down below for you guys. This is the box. So cute. I am in love with this box. I cannot get enough of it. So cute. They do have different like colors and everything for the boxes. I'm glad I got the pink one because I'm a huge pink fan. Dinah, my cat Dinah, is just having a great time today. She is sitting in my little windowsill right now, so if you hear her making noise, that's what that noise is. Each quarter, FabFitFun will partner with a nonprofit or charity to raise funds for that charity, which is great. So whenever you go in and select items, so FabFitFun allows you to select different items depending on what type of member you are. So you can be a full-time access member, which means that you've paid for your full subscription in advance, so like a full year's worth. And then if you're the other type of member, which I think is maybe like basic, or I can't remember the wording of it, but you are able to add on or select a couple of items that will be in your box. So whenever you go to do that, you have the option to add like $1 or $5, whatever, $10 to that charity to raise funds. So this quarter's box is in support of Dress for Success, which is cool. I've never heard of that one, but let's go ahead and open it up. Okay. So this is what the inside looks like. So cute. Okay, well, let me just swivel this around. This is a lot. This is a big box. Okay, so first off, we have a little magazine. So FabFitFun always includes this little magazine that shows you how to use the products, and we'll give you a little bit more information about the products and the brands that are in here. So this one's cute because I love her eyeshadow. That is so fun. I love the pink. Love. Okay, and then they will always include some little vouchers or offers from other brands. So we have one for Bright Cellars that is for some wine. So you have a $45 credit. So that's pretty nice. And then the next one we have is from Bite. So this is, this is a straightening and brightening invisible aligners. So I have never heard of the Bite brand, but that's pretty cool. And then next, I feel like this is in every single one of these boxes, but that's cool. It's from HelloFresh. So this is for 9 free meals, and it includes free shipping, which is pretty nice. So I might actually try out HelloFresh. I have never tried it before, but I keep getting these, so it's kind of doing its work of making me consider if I should try it out. Okay, and finally we are into our products. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, I don't even know what to start with. There's so many good items. Okay, let's focus, let's calm down. Let's just like be cool. Okay, I'm fine, everything's fine. Ooh. Okay, so the first product I'm gonna pull out is from 11 Skin, which is an amazing skincare brand. It is seriously one of my favorites. So this is the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. So you can include this in your moisturizer or apply directly on your skin after cleansing. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what the bottle looks like. Oh my gosh, yes! I'm a huge fan of this. This is so fancy. I love the packaging on this. This is like metal. It's very hefty, which makes me feel like it's expensive, which honestly 1 Skin is a very expensive brand. But it's cool because it has a little dropper and ooh, that is so pretty. Okay, I just want to put like a little bit of this on my skin. Okay, I put some of this on my hand. My skin is very dry right now on my hands, but the smell, you guys, is amazing. Oh, I am in love with this. This is like a childhood scent for me for some reason. You know those scents that are like you've definitely smelled when you were a little kid? This has that. Oh, it smells so good. I can't wait to try this out. Next is this fun product. So this is by Area Beauty, and this is a Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. Ooh, this is fancy. It comes in its own little bag. Ooh, this is very pretty. So this is a very rose gold type brush. It feels very nice. Let's see what the instructions say on how to use this brush, which I'm pretty sure I know how. Okay, so this is a professional paddle brush, which features extended bristles for easy detangling and reduces stress to hair and scalp during blow drying and styling. So it's ideal for smoothing hair during blow drying to create smooth, straight styles and softness. And it's good for all hair types, which is nice. So let's just try this out. Feels nice. Feels nice. So that's pretty cool. Kind of like a random thing, but I mean, I like paddle brushes. I do use one every day in the morning before I do my hair, so I'll definitely use this. Okay guys, I am so excited for this next product. And I think you'll know why in a minute. This is the Pure Lease Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. So it gently resurfaces and it's skin smoothing and boosts radiance. And it's good for all skin types, which is really nice. But I love watermelon, like watermelon flavored items, watermelon scented things, all the watermelon, give me all of it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take this out of the packaging. Ooh, it's so cute. I love this. I love the watermelon. Yes. Okay, I'm just gonna give this a little whiff. Okay, it smells like watermelon. Oh my gosh, that smells great. Yes. I'm so excited. What you're supposed to do to use this product is smooth over a cleansed, wet face. You let it sit for 2 minutes and rinse with water and pat dry. So honestly, I think what I'll end up doing is using this in the shower, because since you only have to let it sit for 2 minutes, that's like the perfect amount to use in the shower. And I really like products I can use in the shower because then I'm not spending a lot of time using a washcloth and all the things at night or whenever I'm using this. Other ingredients that are in here that helps benefit your skin is watermelon moisturizes the skin, lychee helps promote brighter skin, beet is good for damaged skin, and purple carrot nourishes skin and keeps it supple and hydrated. I'm so excited to try this out. Okay, so next up we have a product from This Works. This is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. It is a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. So this is a lotion. You're supposed to use this nightly after taking a bath and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. I think you can just use this all over as a body lotion. I'm pretty sure there'll probably be like lavender or something in this. Oh yes, this smells very essential oil-like. That smells nice. Yeah, this I definitely would be a nice relaxing product to use at bedtime to help you fall asleep. This is a cool one. Oh my gosh. This is a gravity eye mask. Dang, I'm excited. Ooh, this is so neat. Oh my gosh. I don't even know who this is by. So this has weighted beads and it is 1 pound. Wow. So it evenly distributes pressure. That's pretty cool. Oh my gosh, yes. So you know like those gravity blankets, I'm pretty sure this is like the same thing but for your eyes. in your face. I'm really excited to try this out. I really do like eye masks, and I'll use them especially when I'm traveling because I usually have a hard time falling asleep when I'm in a hotel or at someone else's house, or like I need my complete blackness at nighttime to fall asleep. So this will be perfect for me to do that because girls gotta sleep. Okay, and next up we have a product from Wander Beauty. This is their Mile High Club Volume and Lengthen Mascara. So this is nice. This is probably just in the shade black, but let me take a look. Oh, this is in a different little tube. Oh, and it's called the Mile High Club. That's cute. So this is a volume and lengthening mascara. So this looks pretty nice. I really like the packaging. I'm all about gold, so that sounds fancy. I'll let you guys know how this works out for me. What is this? Lots of bubble wrap, which means it's expensive. Oh, okay. So this is a face cream by, and the brand is very confusing. I think it's by Bios Institute. Yeah, Bios Apothecary, and this is a peppermint little face cream. So this is funny. I'm laughing because I actually just bought this. I forget where I bought this. I think FabFitFun. I can't remember. But yeah, I definitely purchased this already. So now I have a backup. I've already really been enjoying this. It smells exactly like peppermint, and it is a very, very thick cream. It smells like peppermint. So it's a really nice cooling face cream. I will put it on my last step during my nightly routine. This is what the front kind of looks like, and it is a very nice packaging, very hefty. So that's pretty fun. I already have this product, so that's kind of a bummer, but no big deal. Okay, and last but not least, guys, this is so exciting. I can't even believe this is in here. So this is the Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle Treatment. It's a light. What is this? I don't even know how to use this. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is so neat. Okay, let me put the batteries in. Okay, finally got this to work. Literally took me about 5 years. Okay, so you kind of have to hold it down. I'm being blinded right now. This is so bright. But you have to hold it down, and then I'm just gonna use it on my hand. Cool. Okay, so the Glow Wrinkle Treatment is a light emitting diode LED device that emits energy for use in dermatology for the treatment of fine lines, wrinkles, and other effects of aging skin. So this device delivers natural light energy in the infrared, deep red, red, and amber spectrums that are proven to reduce and/or reverse the lines and wrinkles, enhance the skin tone and texture, and create a more youthful appearance. Cool, that's really cool. This is such a unique product. I've never seen them include something like this before. So this is really nice. I'm really stoked about this. I have been starting to see fun wrinkles on my forehead that are bad. And I'm getting those mouth lines, smile lines, or whatever they're called, around my mouth. So I will definitely be using this because I really need it. Okay guys, that was everything. I loved this box. I think they had such a great mixture of makeup, skincare, and lifestyle type products in here. And I'm just so stoked to try each and every one of these products. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that little magazine and let's go through the pricing. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do is go through the pricing of each product, and then I'll show you the full value of what you get in this box. All right, so first up is this light therapy tool that we just discussed, and this is valued at $68. So that is such a great value already for this box, because alone this product is worth more than the boxes. So already you've gotten your money's worth, which is great. Oh my gosh, guys, I just saw the value of this product and what even is this? Okay, I knew that this would be really expensive. This 1-1 Skin, the Radiance Booster. This is $135. What? What is this? This is crazy. I bet that there's real gold in this, because how else would it be $135 for this? But dang, this is crazy. Next we have the paddle brush. So this is valued at $35. Do you think it's a bit excessive? It honestly feels like a normal brush to me. I don't know if it'll like last longer or what, but this honestly just feels kind of like a normal brush I would get at Ulta or something like that. I mean, it is a little bit heftier, and I mean, it's pretty, it looks nice, but I think $35 is a little bit high for this product. Okay, so next up is that little gravity eye mask, and the value of this is $39.99, so $39.99. I love how it's just like a penny off of 40. Might as well just like round up. I think the price of this matches the value of this product, so I think that that sounds about right. Okay, so next up we have by Wander Beauty, the mascara, and this is valued at $26. Again, I think this is a bit high for this. I mean, because if you think about it, you're only probably getting about this much product, and I don't know how I feel about the pricing of this, but I mean, it's nice that it came in the box and I can try it out, and if I do like it, hopefully I can find a good deal and not pay the full price of this. Okay, so next up is that body cream by This Works, and this is $40. Again, it's probably, honestly, it's probably so expensive because of the essential oils that are in here. Because I'm definitely smelling lavender, and it's a very spa-like type scent, so I'm assuming that's why it's this expensive for some lotion, but I mean, it smells nice and I'll definitely use it. Okay, so next up we have the Purlisse 2-minute watermelon polish peel. This is valued at $35, which I think is very reasonable. I can imagine myself paying that amount for this at like Sephora or something, so yeah, very good. And okay, so this product they did not specifically mention in the magazine, and I think it's because they gave me like a mystery item. So that's pretty cool. I don't exactly know the value of this though, since it's not included in here, but I think I probably paid like $15, $20, but I think the value of it is like 40 or 45. Okay guys, so I looked up the pricing of this, and this is $42. So I added everything up, and the value of this box is $421. How crazy is that? That I think is the most that I've ever seen this box be valued at with the products that they've included. So I feel like I got a really good mix. I think they included amazing products, and I can't wait to try them out. Like especially this and this, and literally all of the things. Like I cannot wait. I love skin and like makeup products, so I think they did a really good job of incorporating those into the box. So there are different products that come in each of the boxes, and if you are a member, you can select certain ones that you want to receive, and you can see the full range of products that they include in the boxes in the magazine. So it'll show everything that was offered this season. So I always like to go and watch other people's videos to see what they got. So definitely check that out if you're interested to see reviews on each of the products from the boxes. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I know I did. If you're interested in FabFitFun, I'll leave the link down below. But that is all I have for today. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye!